Essa é de batuta.
Так,
É
ну
bom,
как
não.
обычно например.
Dá um bracket. Nisso, cara.
Okay, morning guys. Today we're gonna talk about the waste. So this talk covers some important aspects of waste management and control. So waste management and control are vital elements in the construction industry. Every year, millions of pounds are wasted by poor management of materials and resources. So, I'll give you now some golden rules. Here are they. So, the first one is prevent. It means you should avoid producing waste in the first place. Second one is reuse. Means reuse items as many times as possible, where safe and appropriate to do so. For example, some hoarding, shattering, the offcuts, you can use them where it is appropriate. The next one. So the recycle what you can, only after you have reused it. Then recover. It means send what cannot be recycled to an alternative treatment facility. And the last one is dispose. Dispose is the last resort, so send the waste to landfill for disposal. Waste comes from many sources, including packaging, contaminated ground, roads, sweeper risings, excavations, damaged materials, offcuts, left cuts. For example, from mortar, from concrete, we have some plasterboard remaining offcuts, so on and so on and so on. So anything not used is classified as a waste if you intend to discard it. Minimizing waste by following this rule takes more effort, but it's good for the environment and the company. Segregating waste into hazardous, non-hazardous, and inert types of disposal or recycling maximizes opportunities for recovery. It also reduces costs and help to avoid the penalties. You should also check whether your site is using the site management plan. We do have it here. So basically we're just segregating the waste. Okay, the next one. Some control measures. So number one, just storing the materials properly and safely to prevent some damage before using. Next one, keep significant offcuts for reuse and know the correct place to stockpile and protect materials for reuse. The third one, consider the quantity of material to be used before ordering or opening a pack and use it all before opening a new pack. Number four, so reuse the materials such as shatterings, drywall leftovers, reuse where it is practical to do so. The last one, just tell the management or the supervisor about the instances of your work, whether you could reduce the waste. Okay. Now this is a kind of a quick one, so we're just gonna cover a few more precautions, and it's gonna be just do not place the materials in areas where they could be damaged or can be contaminated by other materials. Do not use any length of timber, pipe or cable without checking the reusable stuff, the leftovers. The third one, just follow the procedure for the controlled disposal of contaminated waste to avoid the prosecution. Fourth, do not overfill the skip or in our bins. If they're full, just remove them to the hoist flap or inform to the supervisor. And the last one is just don't mix any hazardous, non-hazardous, and inert waste together, because it prevents recycling and it's more resource costly. So for us, it means we'll know that we just have two means of disposal, two means of segregating waste. We have one for drywall, which goes in the one bin, and other for other materials, for mixed waste, where there goes insulation, metal, all of this kind of stuff, all rubbish, so on and so on. Okay, so this is going to be it. So just try to always follow these rules, segregate the waste, also try to minimize it, and just clean up the cells. So thank you for now. Just wait, I'm just going to show you, as I promised, the briefing records. They're going to sign it later, yeah? So thank you for now, yeah? Thank you for attending.